Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Palantir's technical analysis video, and in this video, it seems like Palantir has started a reversal pattern. Now, there are a couple of things to support this pattern. The first thing I'm going to say is that, why didn't I think that the Palantir stock is going to reverse about 4 days ago, right? And the reason for that was because we did not find any confirmation. I keep saying this over and over again, but guys, wait for confirmation of trends. You don't have to be the first one to find out a trend. You have to wait for the overall market to think the same thing as well in order to gain alpha. So I think we've waited long enough. We've waited about 3 to 4 days here. And you can see that we are just starting a reversal pattern. You can see the same thing with the MACD as well. MACD is also moving towards the upside. We have the RSI. RSI has just started to break out, and you can see that Palantir did not hit that 200 MA. For a long time, we thought Palantir was going to move all the way back to $15. That was not the case. It seems like Palantir started a reversal pattern before we actually hit that 200 MA, which is a very, very good signal. You can see that the last time Palantir crossed over that 200 MA on the one-day chart, Palantir had a maximum gain of about 158%. So will that happen again? No, right? Because, well, once again, we are not crossing over. But what I'm trying to say is that that 200 MA is a very, very strong support. And I'm not the only one saying this. There's also a lot of technicians who have more experience than me who are also saying the same thing. So yeah, a Palantir holding that 200 MA is going to be very, very good as a signal that Palantir is going to head up. And you can't tell me with a very sensible argument that Palantir is going to move down, because we are seeing that Palantir right now is moving into industries that we didn't think they were in. And that just shows that their products work. And when their products work, more companies are going to adopt them. So I'm going to be very, very bullish on Palantir in the coming few weeks and even in 2024 as well. And the next thing we can go through is also that 1 week pattern. So the 1 week pattern tends to be a little bit more accurate than the 1 day. And by virtue, the 1 day is more accurate than the smaller time frames as well. If you're looking at the smaller time frames, it might look overbought, but once you zoom out for Palantir, you can tell that because we were down since about 2190 or 2150, the cup resistance level, we have been down about 27%. So that is 27% of people wanting to buy the stock. And then at this point, when the macro starts to flip towards the bullish side, then there will be people who buy into smaller cap stocks like Palantir. So that's where we try to look for alpha, right? So as for the 1 week chart, we have that RSI just about to move towards the upside. We saw it hit that 50, and then it seems to have held that 50, and then we are now moving towards the upside. You can see that we have a green candle here, albeit this is not confirmed yet, so I might eat my words if this reverses. But my stance right now is that Palantir is going to be bullish. And you can see that the MACD is heavily in the red right now, but we have a bullish divergence with the MACD. So we are starting to see that the stock is moving in the up direction. When the MACD is in the red, that is very, very good for the stock. You can see the last time it did this, we continue to hit up, right? So that is how we find support in stocks. And as of now, Palantir just found the support, and my guess is that Palantir is going to head up. So yeah, that is Palantir's technical analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I've been making a lot of Palantir videos. The reason I want to track this every day is because sometimes technicals can change very, very quickly, and that is why I like to cover it every day. I don't like to cover it only when it's bullish, and obviously sometimes I'm going to do that because I have other obligations. But yeah, so that is why I'm doing so many Palantir videos. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.